Yellow teeth, tartar. How to remove tartar and yellow stains from teeth. Is there a way to whiten teeth at home? For you to have a bright smile. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you a trick to whiten teeth at home. Ingredients: only need 1 ginger root and toothpaste. I will help you have whiter teeth in 1 week. Let's get started. Then peel the ginger. After peeling, we cut it into small pieces. Then add ginger to grind or grind to get juice. Put the ginger in the blender, add a little water and salt. After grinding, we filter the water. Ginger juice is obtained, we add a little lemon juice. Then put in the toothpaste.